What's up, YouTube? J Van Power here. Today we're going to be going over my novelty and fountain stash, and also some firecrackers, just a little stuff, and what I have so far. I'm going to be doing more videos like this in the future, and more videos on the bigger stuff. Let's get into it. Alright, so I got some stuff out of the boxes. Let's get to it. We got Golden Dragon fountain, Cuckoo fountain, a little battleship. I've owned this one for like 5 years and never lit it off. Sparklers, little smoke bomb, ground blooms, Taste the Rainbow, Afterglow, 3 Minute, Dad Bod Squad, Mount Everest, probably one of the best fountains out there, by Power Predator, King Cone, Ballerina Ball, and then Juggling in the Air. Alright, I'm going to get some more on the table for you guys. Alright, here we go with round number 2, firecrackers. We got Lightning Firecrackers by Red Lantern, got 2 of those. And then we got Thunder Bomb by Fire Complex. I'm going to be opening up this one at the end of the video for you guys. It's like a little added bonus. We got El Toro, Money to Burn, El Toro Bomb. Got some little packs of the aliens. Warpath, El Toro, Viking, Pink Elephant Firecrackers. And then, whatever these ones are. Lit Dynamite, Mad Hornet, Mississippi Gambler. And these are really good ones. Really big crackers. And I got Mobster. Got 3 packs of those. Alright, so we got a Frog by Mad Hornet, a Handheld Snow Cone by Window, Penguin Mania, got the Hen Lays Eggs, got 2 cakes right here, Nanotech and Ghost Shadow, got Peach Flower in Spring, a Lucky Fountain, Silver Jet Stream, El Toro Gold Crackling, Mini Cuckoo, Cherry Blossom, 2 more Cuckoos, Go Bananas Fountain, which is a ripoff if you ask me. I hate when they do packaging like this. That big box makes us pay more on shipping. There's only 2 little fountains in there. They need to stop doing stuff like that. Same with this one. 1 little fountain in there. Got a spinner. Friendship box. And then this assortment right here. Full of a whole bunch of little stuff. Alright, here's the last group of stuff. Got a high octane spinner, another smoke bomb, some magic crystals, hen balloon thingy, camellia flowers, these big ground blooms. Things are huge. Got a couple of different tanks. Got a drag car. Got a whole bunch more of those fly spinners. Got a bigger spinner right here. Some ladybugs. Some Whistling Pete's. Little mini fountains. And those 2 fountains too. And we also have handheld Lucky Wheels. Very cool. And then a whole case of Thunder Snaps by Happy Family. A whole bunch of them for the kids. Keep them busy for years to come. Alright, I'll be right back and then we'll get to opening this brick firecrackers for you guys. Alright, let's get into opening this half brick. If you guys made it to the end of the video this far along, I really appreciate it. Thanks for sticking through it. Let's see what we got. I know there's gonna be red firecrackers. I just really like opening firecracker bricks. Little guys. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I'm going to be posting way more in the future. Please subscribe and like the video if you want to. See you next time.